Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone's stuck on startup screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone won't turn on. When I try to turn it on, the Android phone is stuck on startup screen, even though it was off for about 8 hours before. My Android phone does nothing and is stuck on the same startup screen. I tried everything I know, but still nothing changes. How can I fix Android phone stuck on startup screen? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone gets stuck on startup screen. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Battery drain. The solution is to fully charge the Android phone. If your Android phone has been stuck on welcome screen after the problem, the battery will drain quickly. An effective and full battery charge can help reset the battery management system and fix the Android phone stuck on welcome screen problem. Grab the device's original charging cable and charger. Use them to connect the constantly rebooting Android phone to a wall power outlet. Let it charge undisturbed until the power percentage reaches 100%. If your Android phone is still constantly won't go past startup screen, your battery might be toast. Before heading to an official service center, try the solution below first. Cause 2. SIM card failure. The solution is to remove the SIM card and put it back. A damaged SIM card or an incorrectly inserted SIM card can cause your Android phone to be stuck on the starting screen. Reinstalling the SIM card can help you fix such issues. Please follow the steps below. Turn off your Android phone. Use a SIM eject tool to open the tray and then pull it out. Take out the SIM card. If it is dirty, clean it. If it is damaged, contact your carrier manufacturer to get a replacement. If the SIM card is in good condition, just put it back in the tray and push it back. Now, restart your Android phone and it should not be stuck on the startup screen again. Cause 3. Software glitch or temporary system crash. The solution is to force restart your Android phone. Software glitch or temporary system crash may interfere with the Android phone startup process. The good news is that force restart can quickly clear them up and save you from worrying about this problem. The Android phone system will restart and you can get your Android phone out of the stuck startup screen with your data intact. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to boot up and hopefully it will boot up to the home screen. Cause 4. Incompatible third-party apps. The solution is to go into safe mode to remove the faulty apps. If you downloaded an app from an unsafe website, the app may conflict with the Android OS, causing the Android phone stuck on powered by Android screen. If you don't know if you did this, an easy step to identify is to go into safe mode, where your Android phone will only load original apps and settings. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to drain. Then, press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see the logo screen. You will then see the recovery mode screen appear. From there, select the safe mode option. If all goes well, you will see the Android phone boot up with the words safe mode appearing in the bottom left corner of the screen. If not, let us know in the comments below. Now, if your Android phone is able to boot up to safe mode, then there must be something wrong with the app. Delete all the apps that you think are responsible for this problem and get out of the stuck startup screen on Android phone issue. Once done, press and hold the power button. Select restart and then restart in normal mode. Wait for a few seconds. Now, your Android phone should reboot and return to normal state. Cause 5. Outdated operating system. The solution here is to install a software update. This method is only for those who can still access the phone's settings. If your Android phone is stuck on the boot screen and cannot go to the home screen, try the next solution. Alright, here's how to update the device. Go to Settings, find and tap System Update or Software Update option. Wait to see if it says there is an update available to download. If yes, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the software update. If no, move to the next step to fix a stuck Android as starting screen on an Android phone. Cause 6. Attack from malware. The solution here is to perform a factory reset. This measure is a little bit drastic, because it needs to clear away the malware along with all your stored data and content on the device. but if you have backups, then feel free to try it as it's an effective step to remove all kinds of software-related errors and revive the system. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when you're stuck startup screen on Android phone. This is an official troubleshooting mode, so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Wait to see if it get Android phone past the startup screen. Cause 7. A hardware problem. The solution here is to visit the nearest repair store. All previous solutions are enough to help you pinpoint if the issue is triggered by software. If the Android phone is still stuck on the startup screen, time to inspect the hardware components. Accidental drops, liquid exposure, screen cracks, dead battery and so on will make the connectors or internal parts malfunction. 0. To stop the Android phone from automatically restarting the loop, turn to a certified technician from your manufacturer's official service center that's closest to where you live.